that camera ready yet. Hey! Get in here. Okay, I'm ready now. You have to go 3. Expressing a dog's anal glands can be a serious issue. It can lead to infection and inflamed anal glands that can lead to large vet bills. I've never done this before. Chloe's going to hate this. A couple things I like to have on hand when I do this for the very first time is a paper towel and a treat. So, let's see how this goes. Sit down. So I'm going to place the treat here. I'm going to cut from this direction because I do not want anal gland juice shooting up at me. The anal glands are located somewhere in this region. I'm really not quite sure. Again, this is my first time. 7. Now, 7. What you're going to do is you're going to squeeze together and press up. So, stop. I know. I'm sure you don't like it.
I think it's lower.
Down here?
Yeah. Anything coming out?
No. This is very unsuccessful. They've made it look so easy. Oh, here. She's gonna lace it. Oh, do you like this? Stop. Well, maybe she has clean anal glands. Maybe she has no anal gland juice. So her holiday cocktails are ruined. Do you want to try?
No.
I don't think they went that far up. Chloe, come on. Ah! I got it! Ew! Ew! Oh my god! Oh my god!
You got it, baby! You got it! You got it! You got it!
I'm doing it! And then I did it! Oh my god. I'm gonna throw up. Okay.
You think that's it?
That's it for now. This is Lynn signing off with anal gland juice. Okay, don't step in it. Here.
Happy dog. Happy dog.